look, it's a package. It's a Saviland Acrylic Nail Kit, a professional nail system that you can do at home. Welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. In today's video, I will be unboxing the Saviland Acrylic Nail Kit. The benefit of this box is to use an all-in-one nail kit and can meet various nail designs that you're interested in. And of course, they are long-lasting. They are natural ingredients and safe and non-toxic and easy to use, and of course give flawless nails. So let's start off. We have this Saviland quick remove acrylic nails drill, and this is a portable electric nail drill, so this is great if you travel and such like that. It comes with extra nail bit pieces such as the filers and things to smooth and buff your nails, and it comes with so many pieces in there, so I'm so happy for that. And it comes with a small little compact nail drill, perfect for traveling with, and of course an adapter. And it also came with an extra nail bit to remove acrylic nails. As well, they have the acrylic powder set. This is their acrylic powder, and of course the acrylic liquid. I just love the packaging. Pay attention to the details. And it comes with 3 different acrylic powders. This is in the color white, and then they also have the pink, and then as well as the clear acrylic powder. And then they also provide 5 different gel nail polishes. They have the foundation gel, and then they also have the top coat gel, and then they also provided a white gel polish as well as a red gel polish, and of course a black gel polish. And of course you're going to need a UV LED lamp. This is a small little portable, you can charge it up and plug it anywhere with you and take it on the road, and it's just a cute little compact LED UV light to cure your nails or cure your gel polish. Sorry about my bird, y'all. But like I mentioned, it's a small little LED UV lamp. You can bring it with you. It of course comes with the adapter. You can plug anywhere into a brick cube, or if you have any extensions like that for your cords. They also have provided 3 different sized acrylic brushes, and I'm very happy to use these because it comes in many sizes, and I think as a beginner you could always start with the small one. It's easier to work in sections. So it comes in a number 12, a number 10, and it also came in a different number as well, but I forgot which one it was. I'm so sorry. So it also came with a box of nail accessories. It came with so many things. The first thing you saw was a toe separator. It came with some design brushes, so many of them in here, including a dabble pen. So I'm very excited to use this. And it came with so many glitters, y'all. It came with some chunky glitters. It came with some colored nail acrylic. You can mix it with your nail powders and use that to give different colors, and of course a glittery set. And then it came with some nail files and things like that, which I'll open up a little bit afterwards to show you in more depth of everything on the table here once we get closer to the end. And it also came with a little package here, which I will also open up to show you. It came with some press-on nails. Now, I was expecting nail tips, but it didn't come with that, but I do have some in hand. Of course, nail glue, and we got a cuticle oil, and of course a nail clipper. Pretty cool. You can attach that to your keychain, and of course some cute little accessories like gems and stuff like that. And you saw the dual pads, the alcohol wipes, and then inside that little baggie was like this string thing and like these pad glues. And also came with practice fingers. This is something I really want to try out and see how I do with these, so I'm going to definitely use these, and you'll definitely see it in my videos. And a dap and brush set. So here's everything like out of the packagings. I just wanted to show you guys a little up close of how everything looks. Everything looks amazing. I really cannot wait. But this is everything. I just wanted to say thank you so much to Saviland. I'm so excited to use their products. And this box came with so many things for beginners or professionals or anyone who's looking to stock up on some things that they might need. I will link it down in the description box for anyone who's interested. And it is on Amazon, so for anyone that loves Amazon, you will definitely be able to find these boxes and kits on Amazon. So don't forget to like and subscribe.